Hi everyone, hello guys, it's Matthew again, and today is 2nd of June 2026. We're actually still in 1st of June because right here in Canada is 5 hours behind GMT. It's 2nd of June right in Africa and some other part of the world. So happy new month to everyone, and we're going to drop many strategies across all our channels again this month of June 2026. Make sure you're subscribed to all the channels to watch all the strategies we'll be dropping in the month of June 2026. So here we're going to be trading the volatility 101 next. Just like last month, we dropped the rise and fall strategies across all the channels. And we're going to continue the same sequence. We're going to be dropping the rise and fall strategies again this time around. And this time we're going to be using the moving average indicator. And there's a trade ongoing right there. So I just want to wait for also hit profit so I can sell. And if the sell options becomes unavailable, we're still going to win regardless, because these strategies are 100% guaranteed. We've been testing them for a while now, and as usual, we're not selfish. We always release great strategies for you guys to make a lot of money. As always, we've been doing this for more than 15 years right now, and we know some viewers have, they've been staying tuned for a very long time, and we've never disappointed, so far so good. So you can see we're already in profit right there. So let me just quickly sell and take that 6 point something. So I'm going to show you how this strategy works. So let's quickly go to our buy sell indicator. Let's see what's going on right here. Okay, some trades are in profit. Let me close this and wait for the other ones to hit reasonable amount. So this is a buy sell indicator is at work, and it works on Deriv and other Forex broker platforms that support MT5. You can use it to trade your Forex pairs, Euro, USD, USD, CHF, GBP, CHF, and odd and card, and your volatility index as well. You can also use it on other Forex broker platform that support MT5. But you have to stay online to use this indicator because you have to wait for the signal. When it shows you the light blue, you buy. When it shows you the pink color, something like a purple, you sell, and you wait for the market to hit a profit and you close your trade. You can also set your TP and your Excel if you're going to stay offline once your trade is placed so that it can close by itself. We're giving this indicator for free, and we're giving it to more than 1,000 traders, So to get this indicator for free, make sure you don't have a trading account. Use the link in the video description to sign up for a free trading account, and follow the steps in the video description to get the indicator for free. We're going to paste all the infos. These are the infos. We're going to paste them right there in the video description on YouTube. Sign up for a free trading account using this link right here. Then subscribe to all our channels. Then send an email. Just follow all these instructions. Make sure you input your last 3 digits of your account so that we can verify your sign up. We know all those who sign up using the link, so we verify before we send the indicator. For those who already have a trading account, you can order the indicator using the link right here, the form here. The payment options are right there. And for our buy sell, the pip stripper bot and the toss skipper bot, they're still effective and they're still active. You can see some great results today, 2026 June. Win for the toss skipper bot. It's just 9.99 USD. The pip stripper bot as well is still active and effective. So to order the bots and to get some of our free gifts, subscribe to our channels and use the link in the video description to order the bots. This is the link to order the pip stripper bot, and the link to order the toss skipper bot is right there. The payment options are on the payment page, and the link to sign up for a free trading account is there for those who don't have a trading account, and the links to our YouTube channels are right there. So let's get back to the trading. Let's place one more trade here. So we're going to be placing the trade once this crosses the line and goes down a little. Once it crosses the MA, don't forget to set your indicator and go to the indicator and click on moving average. Click on moving average right there. You see the red line right there. So this must cross the line and must be going down. Click on rise there, set the durations to 4 minutes, enter the amount you want to stake. You can see this is a good spot to place our trade because this is right below the red line. It has to be below the red line. There must be a wide gap, once it's below the red line. So you're going to sell when you hit reasonable amounts. That's how this strategy works. So that's the time count right there. We have 3 minutes 39 seconds left. So it's pushing right up. So because as the line is there, if you want to place out your trade, place it right here. Click on buy right there. Make sure you click the rise there before you click on buy. So let's wait for it to hit reasonable amount so that we can close our trade. Three point something. Let's wait for 6 point something. Okay, let's just okay, the market really pushed right there. So I wanted to close at 5 point something. You have to close so fast because it's going to go down. So because at the time it's counting, it's going to go down. So you don't have to wait for it to hit. Maybe $4 is okay. Just close the trade and place another trade. So we're going to go this time around because of our time counts. Let's hit reasonable amount. Soon the sell button will become unavailable because we didn't close on time right there. So in this case, close when it's maybe $4. Depends on how much you're trading. If you're trading with $30, you can close when it's $5-6, and you trade again. But we're gonna win the trade regardless. So even if our sell button becomes unavailable, we're still gonna win our trade. So it's rebounded, now it's going right up. Okay, let's close at 6.1 right there. That's a good one. So you can see how this strategy works. Make sure you watch carefully before you place your trade. And that's it for now. We're going to drop another strategy. See you guys next time. Subscribe to the channels. Like, share our videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.